1A. So for today's video, I am going to discuss about conversion, which is decimal to hexadecimal. But before that, let's tackle first about the four types of number system. So the first one is binary system. It has a base 2 system, which is 0 and 1. 0 means off state and 1 means on state. Second is the decimal system. It has a base 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The third one is octal system. It has a base 8, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And the last one is hexadecimal system. It has a base 16, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 corresponds to A in hexadecimal system, and 11 corresponds to B, 12 corresponds to C, 13 corresponds to D, 14 corresponds to E, and 15 corresponds to F. So now, I will going to show you on how to convert decimal to hexadecimal. So decimal to hexadecimal, 0 corresponds to 0, 1 corresponds to 1, 2 corresponds to 2, 3 corresponds to 3, 4 corresponds to 4, 5 corresponds to 5, 6 corresponds to 6, 7 corresponds to 7, 8 corresponds to 8, 9 corresponds to 9, and 10 corresponds to A, 11 corresponds to B, 12 corresponds to C, 13 corresponds to D, 14 corresponds to E, and 15 corresponds to F. So we have here an example, 894 base 10. So let's start with 894 divided by 16. So we get 55.875. And in order for us to get the remainder, we have to multiply 16 and 0.875. So 16 times 0.875, we get 14. And we use this 55 divided by 16, we have 3.4375. So 16 times 0.4375, so the remainder would be 7. So we use this number 3 divided by 16 is equals to 0.1875. So 16 times 0.1875 is equals to 3, so that would be our remainder. So we're gonna write it from the most significant bit to least significant bit. Now, let's convert the remainder values to hexadecimal values. So 3 as a decimal is 3 in the hexadecimal system, and 7 is still 7. Now 14 corresponds to a letter, right? So in hexadecimal, 10 corresponds to A, 11 corresponds to B, 12 corresponds to C, 13 corresponds to D, 14 corresponds to E, 15 corresponds to F. So we have here 14, then we have to rewrite it E, right? So we have to write the 14 as E. So that's it for this example. We have our final answer is 37E base 16. So that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you.